Good evening, everybody. My name is Hetty Ware, and I'm from a company called RightClick. Just for 5 seconds of your time, please turn your head and face the person behind you. I'm watching who's doing it. And face me again. What can you tell me about their facial expression? The truthful answer is actually nothing, because they were also listening to me and showed you their back, so we could see who was not listening. So that's one of the things that RightClick is about. So tonight I have for you 2 things that RightClick is about. Firstly, imagine with me your delegates arrive at a conference or a training session that you've put together. Their minds are in different places. In most cases, they don't know each other. Imagine another clip. Your teammates arrive for a meeting. Most of them would rather not be there. So getting into the meeting might prove tough mentally. Right? Okay, some of us agree. So what RightClick does is that we offer effective icebreakers for your trainings or conferences or meetings to ensure participation, interaction, engagement, which will make things a lot easier for their minds to get in tune with what you're doing. And secondly, you are a manager, a leader, or an entrepreneur. Now, let's say you are fantastic at putting together a report or a presentation, but when it comes to delivery thereof, it's not quite your forte. So you're presented with the opportunity to come and deliver this great thing you have, and in your head, it's heating up. Anyone familiar with what I'm saying? Some of us. Okay, so we offer what we call the public speaking factory. It yields results from get-go. That's what our clients tell us. It covers everything from confidence to presence to what not to say, how to say what to say, persuasive communications. It also even covers how to attend to questions and comments and much more. So just for tonight, RightClick, effective icebreakers as well as the public speaking factory. How you can get a hold of us. My partner and I are here for the whole night. Do grab us or follow us on Twitter at We Do Right. That's at We Do Right. Thank you.